Oh my gosh, guys.
Fun time with DissiNotRA. BeatMakerS 101.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. Reason 11 is here! I am super excited, guys. I know a couple YouTubers here and there have been complaining about the last update, saying that it wasn't enough, and still now a lot of people are still not happy, but I'm happy. I must say I'm extremely happy, guys. The new features are awesome, guys. The little adjustments that they made are exactly what we needed. Okay, maybe a couple things here and there that they could add, but I'm telling you guys, for people like me that want to work with as little equipment as possible, and specifically if you want to do live looping like I do, sorry guys, but there is still no program that has been able to reach this type of level and also is able to keep up with the performance of what it takes to do the live looping. If yes, show me. Don't say Ableton, because no, it does not do that. But one of the really most awesome features that are now available is that Reason 11 is actually as a plugin guide. I must say I'm a little bit mad because now all of the people that use the other music programs can do what I do and can imitate my sound, but no, I must say it's really, really awesome, guys. This is something that I have wished for my friends that have been working with other programs that always ask me how I create my sounds, how I'm doing everything, so and so and so and so. They can't do the live looping, but they can now use all of the devices and instruments, which is freaking awesome, guys. So a big plus for all the other music producers using other music programs. DAWs, we gotta say now. DAWs. So funny how we always come up with new terms and then this is the term to go. The one and only DAW. A digital audio workstation. I can't even say that. Digital. Anyway, so let's look at everything in depth. Today I'm going to go over the main things, but then later on in my next videos are going to be in-depth videos about the new devices and instruments. But for today, let's do a general overview. But before we get into this, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, my new subscribers, all the people that constantly come over and drop comments and leave likes on my videos. And a big thank you to all of the people that trust in my reviews and sent me devices and programs to review and look at. And obviously a very special thanks to freaking Reason, guys. Reason is where it's at. I love you guys so much. Without them, we could have not done this video, especially because this is not only Reason 11, but this is the Reason 11 Suite Deluxe Suite. I can't speak English, guys. Reason 11 Suite Deluxe version. Anyway, I'm very grateful and thankful to you guys. So let's get into part 1 of the Reason 11 review. Okay guys, there we are. Let's get into this. Let's start. Hi little bird. So first of all, let's start with the general features that have changed before we get into the devices and instruments. As you know, guys, I have my completely prepared rack here. You don't have to look at all of these instruments and features and everything that are opened here. We're going to mainly concentrate on this area here on these samples because I want to show you the effects with my favorite digital sampler. Because what's better than being able to customize your samples as you wish? So the first little feature here that I love is that we're finally able to do, guess what, guys? Crossfades! Pow! Without having to do the extra hassle. How freaking awesome is that? One of my favorite added features, which I understand should have been available a long time ago, but they had the function, it was just different. Oops, sorry for hitting the microphone. Anyway, secondly, look what happens if I select the notes. Can you see this here? Yay! Our notes are highlighted. I love it. This has been missing for me. Another little thing that they added is that we can now mute single notes. That is pretty awesome. And we can also draw multiple notes, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's do 60 notes. Look at this. How dope is that? Especially in a drum sequencer, obviously. Like, let's get, for example, this one here. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! Listen to, oopsie, double too much. Listen to this. How awesome. No more hustle, guys. No more hustle. Trap beats, here we come. The only thing that I must say that I don't like, which I would love to see, I'm not going to mention from which other program I know that, but what I would love to see already would be drawing notes, drawing, and then draw again to remove them. That would be awesome. But unfortunately, that is not possible. I really don't like having to go to the eraser or having to do it this way and erase stuff. But if you're still thankful, it's still awesome. So, also we have finally curved automation. Let's actually wait till this car passes. Because it's too hot, guys. I cannot possibly close this window right now. And I can also not turn the air on because it's gonna sound like this. Let's get an automation channel real quick. Let's get the volume here. So if we start recording, and we start recording, and we do this, as you can see, we have our automation here, which we were already able to do, but now, so let's actually remove a couple of these here. So you can see what I mean. Now, when we hover over here with the mouse, look what happens, guys. First, let's bring this point down so you understand what I'm talking about. Look, you see this little curve? Yoo-hoo! Look at that! How awesome is this? No more painting like a crazy person, making it look ugly like this. How much do I hate that? Look at this. It's over, guys. We can now do our beautiful curves here, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. So that's it with our little sequencer updates. And if we get like a little tiny beat going. Now that we got a little beat going, so, okay, let's record this sample real quick. Now, let's do the most beautiful thing here. Let's get into these effects. This one, for example, guys. Oh my gosh, how much I love it. Listen. Listen. I didn't even touch anything. I did not even touch a thing. Just playing. Who doesn't freaking love a flanger and phaser, guys? Yo! Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is so beautiful. What can I say? You see already what's up. You can see what's up. Look at the frequency range. Woo! This is freaking beautiful, guys. By the way, sorry guys if I look sweaty, but it's just really hot in here. And look what I have opened here already. The beautiful, how they call it, scenic hybrid instrument. I don't even know where to start.
Guys, I'm not even gonna get into depth with this one. I'm just gonna give you a little taste because I want to do a whole video only on this freaking instrument. Look at this. I didn't do nothing. I'm not gonna go far, but look at this. Look at this echo, sweep, body. Oh my gosh, guys. That's it. I'm not gonna get further into this. As you can see, this is a whole freaking video on its own. Yeah, this is what it comes with, at least in the Reason 11 Suite. I can't say it's Suite, but also, let me show you real quick, guys. Reason comes with 3 more devices. So I just showed you these 2 here, the chorus ensemble and the sweeper modulation effect. But we have also a brand new master bus compressor, and we have brand new channel dynamics and a brand new channel EQ. But yeah, guys, as you can see, I am not angry. I don't know why people are hating, but having all these brand new instruments and effects on my live looping setup is just amazing. To me, as a performer musician, it's really important to be able to do everything live on spot and not only in my studio at home. So Reason's still my #1, guys, still my #1.
That's it, everyone! As you can see, a lot of cool little things that have changed. As usual, if you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned, we got some more awesome reviews coming up, some more mysterious incidences, story times, and many more things that I can't wait to show you guys. And don't forget to check the links, there's awesome stuff to discover. And as always, much love to everyone, stay focused and have a blessed now. Mwah.